Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Microsoft 365 SSO step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to your organization's login page for Microsoft 365. Enter your email address associated with your Microsoft 365 account. Click on the Next button. You will be redirected to the Microsoft login screen. Here, enter your password in the designated field. If prompted, select the option to stay signed in for easier access in the future. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If your organization has enabled multi-factor authentication, you will receive a prompt for an additional verification method. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the multi-factor authentication process. Once authenticated, you will be redirected to your Microsoft 365 dashboard. From here, you can access various applications like Outlook, Word, and Teams. If you encounter any issues during login, check your internet connection first. If problems persist, consider resetting your password or contacting your IT support team. If you are using a mobile device, ensure you have the Microsoft Authenticator app installed if required. You can also log in through single sign-on on a different application integrated with Microsoft 365. Simply select the Microsoft option when prompted to log in. Your credentials will be securely transmitted to authenticate your access. Always log out after your session, especially on shared devices. This concludes the step-by-step process of authenticating with Microsoft 365 SSO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.